Hello, I'm Krista Embry. I've been a professional makeup artist for over 22 years, working with countless celebrities, musicians, sports icons, and politicians. There are tricks to the trade that I've taught extensively on my DVD, Impact Your Image, and my special edition video, Now You're a Makeup Artist. However, as with any trade, there's always more to learn. This video is to help you hone and polish your skills as a makeup artist, which will in turn help you feel more confident working with your clients. In this video, I'm going to address some of the most commonly asked questions. Let's start with the one that I hear the most. What is my skin tone? I feature 13 models on my DVD, Impact Your Image, which represent the majority of skin tones. The hair and the eye color help in identifying the model that most represents you. But it truly is the skin tone that's critical. Remember, the point of a foundation, whether it's a liquid or a mineral, is to look like second skin. Can you leave your home just wearing your foundation and feel comfortable? If you said, no, I need to add color to my face first, then I can almost guarantee you're in the wrong color family. I'm not condoning that you only need foundation to get a beautiful finished look. But I believe you should be able to leave your home wearing only foundation and a concealer and feel flawless. Another indication you're in the wrong color family is if your foundation changes colors throughout the day. If you're using a warm foundation and you're really a cool skin tone, your foundation will change to an orangish color after a few hours. If you're a warm skin tone wearing a cool foundation, after a few hours your complexion will have a grayish hue. So let's break this down to even simpler terms. A yellow base would be a warm skin tone. A rosy base, usually ivory or alabaster skin, would be a cool skin tone, and a combination of the two skin tones would be a neutral. I already know what you're thinking. How can I tell? Once you train your eye to see the different zones in the skin, it's a piece of cake. First, let me say that 80% of the population has either neutral or warm skin tones. Our skin is what identifies our coloring. When identifying skin tone, look at the wrist and the forearm. Be sure to have excellent light when making a decision. Look for zones in your skin. When you examine your forearm, turn your wrist up and extend them out in front of your body. The innermost part of your forearm, which would be next to your waist if you have your arms extended, will show zone 1, while the outer part of the forearm, if you follow your thumb down to your elbow, will be another zone, zone 2. Here's what you're looking for. Do you have a rosy pink hue to zone 1? And do you have a golden yellow hue to zone 2? If you said yes, then you have a neutral or combination skin tone. This should be easy to identify, so don't stare at your skin until you think that you see rosy tones. It's only going to be a figment of your imagination. However, if you see two zones, this is what neutral means. So consider yourself blessed, as you can wear colors easily, especially in the pinks and the corals. Also, if your foundation is in the neutral color family, let me add one thing to this. Sometimes a neutral will lean more toward the cool foundations in the winter months, and sometimes a neutral will tan easily in the summer and lean more toward the warm foundations. However, some neutrals will stay in the same color family all year with no shading issues. If you said, no, I really don't see two zones in my forearm, then let's identify a warm skin tone. Do you see a golden yellow hue that covers both zones 1 and 2? Does your skin look thicker? In other words, does your skin hide veins easily? Do your veins around your wrist have a greenish tint? If you said yes, then you have a warm or yellow skin tone. Warm skin tones are the most common and they're typically the easiest to identify. A warm skin tone can cross over to a neutral foundation, but never cross over to a cool foundation. Now that we've identified neutral and warm skin tones, what about the 20% of the population that falls in the cool skin tones? A true cool is very easy to detect. Do you see rose or pink undertones in your forearm, zone 1 and 2? Are your veins easily seen? Do your veins around the wrist have a bluish tint? Do Do you burn easily with sun exposure? And is your skin ivory or alabaster? All of the above are indications that you have a cool or blue-based skin tone. Very seldom does a cool skin tone cross over into a neutral foundation. However, in some cases, in the summer months, it may dictate that a neutral foundation is more appropriate.